This video is dedicated to the Northeast Narrow Gauge Railroad Society, Inc., and their dedicated service to preserving narrow gauge equipment from across the Northeast states, along with the stories associated with them. Please take your time to take a look at the links at the end of this clip to support the restoration projects. Thank you and enjoy the video. Welcome back to Ralston. Today we are looking at the lumber which will be used for the new walls put over the two main gangways that are currently open. These will be the main support beams. Then we have other lumber for planking and tin siding. They'll also go with it. And these two windows are also going to be used, yes, you can see me, for having a window here. We plan to have a double door right here. And then the windows are going to be here to provide some natural light in, which will make it not as dark while working in here. But we are getting new lighting. And with the walls in place, we won't have to worry about all this, pigeons and barn swallows. Pigeons cause most of the, debris. But we're going to do some work on 701. Focusing in on the grease cups, which the front one has been removed, I was also inspecting the rear of the main rod, so as you can see, and oiled up parts of the steam brake to remove it. There's still a little bit of a piece stuck inside the one, but the others are clear. Final thing I did was loosen these two bolts for when we get to this side in the future. But as you did see, I removed both grease cups from both sides that go on the crosshead here. And I'm going to restore them. So yeah. As a little joke, we put the Nathan M3 from Tom on top the steam engine. So here it is. Now take care.